Hello everyone. In today's video I'd be demonstrating on how an object could be created, a custom object. So for that, when we log into Salesforce, we'll have to go into the setup and then click on Object Manager. Here on the right hand side, get a create option, wherein once you click on the create option, you'll be able to select what object you want to create. Select the custom object, then you will have to name the custom object. This would be the record name. Leave the data type as text. You could opt for the optional features. Do not forget to select this option, launch new custom tab wizard after saving the custom object. Then click on save. This will redirect you to a tab wizard. You could select the tab style. No change is required. Click on next. No change is required. Click on next. Uncheck all of them and only the app in which the custom object has to be created has to be selected, and then click on save. So now the custom object has been successfully created. Also, in case if the tab wizard doesn't open, I'll show you how that could be done as well. Go to setup. In quick find, try to key in tabs. Click on tabs. Now here, if this was not created, the test objects, you could always try and create one. This is when you forget to check the last option for launch tab wizard while creating a custom object. So it's quite simple, and I hope you guys understood clearly on how to create a custom object. We'll be back with more videos. Thank you so much.